What are we cooking on the big green egg today? Chives, a whole handful of them. Get those in place. Get those a smoking. Put your grill back in place if you can. What are we cooking today? Chives on the grill. Chicken with the worst tongs I've ever used in my life. They must be from China. Yeah, they're junk. They're useless. So the chicken is on. We're going to put it on there. We're going to close it down. And we'll steam that up before we start crisping it. For a couple hours or whatever. Or whatever. We go ahead and we like to use a lot of Chiavetta sauce on the chicken here. I'll put a lot on the chicken, and I get the coals soaking wet till they steam, and I'll let it steam for a good couple hours and keep the coals wet, and it penetrates the chicken so nice. We love the taste of the Chiavetta's chicken sauce here. Douse the chicken with more Chiavettas, and I love that stuff. Chiavetta's sauce. Chiavettas. Chiavettas. This is what the chicken looks like after 1 hour. I just flipped it over. Low coals, low heat. Smoking with some chives. Really nice. So should be done in about 3 hours. Well, we have the Chiavettas chicken off the grill, off the big green egg. Looks really tasty. So we're going to serve it up with a can of Bush's beans. And a nuked potato right out of the microwave. Little sliced potato, olives and onions and a little vinaigrette. Why wouldn't I? We're getting a sample on the 8 naked lemons. A lot of yeast coming out of this. Got a nice color. Oh no, it's not going to be plugged. Oh, I don't need that. It's going to be plugged. Oh boy, haven't done that one in a while. We're plugged. There it goes. Pull it out. So we're ready to go to the keg here shortly. We just took a reading, and my reading seems to be roughly 10-12. We'll get a better look at it once the bubbles disappear.